Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with the late night Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is coming from my good friends over at Xeneo Power. Check them out. The link is going to be down below, where you can get one at low cost and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. You'll get this in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And look at this though. What did they do to the turtles? What the heck? I am so confused. Totally different. Don't look right. I'm not sure about this, but definitely excited to see what's inside here. So thank you guys. It's a two-parter, so both of them go together. There we go. I got the number one. And in case there is any discount codes, it'll be in the description. So give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys, like I said, want to make a purchase, check it out. Click on the link down below. This is a paid video, so thank you guys. Xeneo. Oh yes. Now this will be a great Christmas gift, birthday gift. Bada boom. We remove the boxes. There we go. Drop you guys down. Like down. Bada boom. X21 portable wireless speaker. Waterproof. Take it into the shower, bathtub. And you compare these two together, so you get the ultimate surround sound. So when you're streaming your Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime videos, micro SD card, FM frequency, wireless 4.2, battery 3.7 volts, X21. And check out their other goodies also they got available to purchase. So we'll see what these do. Oh, I'll cut through. It's alright. Alright. And it comes with a nice traveling case to protect your investment. There we go. That's a nice size case. Take it on the beach with you. And let's open this one because we gotta pair them both together. So that's really cool. You can like have the portable surround sound, hook it up to your projectors, all that good stuff. Probably to your Nintendo Switch and all that. So we're gonna get into these guys and test it out. As soon as I can open these. Oh well. Cut. Bam. Got that. There we go. Got that. Xeneo, really nice stitched here. And now let's take a look. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh, we got the cables, and then you got the money clip or school bag or stuff like that. Ah, these are nice. Look at that. Check out these little things. Oh, there's a boom. Got that bass. We're definitely gonna play some music, jam out for a minute, and see what these sound like. Really cool. Hook it up to the PS4 maybe. Oh yes. Play some Spider-Man. That comes out tonight at midnight. And we got another set like those. So we might need a manual because I'm not really too sure how to pair these up really sec. Hopefully they are charged. nice tower, but it probably would look better like that way. Hey, it fits right in the picture. Cool. So those will definitely look nice. Stealth mode. Got the warranty info, aux, micro SD, FM SD. Charging. A full charge will take 4 to 5 hours, so that's pretty good. Let's see how long it will last. The pairing time, two of never been paired speakers could take up to 60 seconds. Long press for 2 seconds. Alright, let's see. This must be the power. Bada boom. Ooh.
Bluetooth mode.
Whoa. Sounds like the vampire guy. Ladies and gentlemen.
Bluetooth mode.
See? Kinda cool. Okay. Now take your trusty old smartphone, whatever it is, iPhone, Android, Note, all that good stuff. I got the 9 Plus right here. I'm gonna scroll down to Bluetooth mode. And I'm gonna pop those up as my other devices. And let's see, oops, if I could do this correctly. That'd be cool. Okay. 1, 2, scan. 1, 2, scan. Oh, there they are. See them down in the bottom? Those two? I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'll pull it up. It's like the Twin Towers. Xeneo X21s. Gotta click on that one. Should hear it. Okay. There we go. And now done. I'm gonna add these in as it's trusted. Don't want to give him my password. My secret. And then now this one, trusted device lock. That's good to go. Xeneo connected. Okay, we'll jam out. Let me see something I could pull. Okay, that one's. Alright, I'm gonna have to try that again. Oh, it says 2 devices connected. Let's see if it connects it. Hey, Jack Ryan. Good series on Amazon. Definitely check that one out. Connect. Connect. Alright, both of them are connected. Alright, pull that song out. Keep them a little separated.
For the respect I deserve, repping A and B, especially when they hated my words, treating me differently, dissing me, giving me shit that was killing me. Found the ability to never let the bullshit hurt my spirit. Telling myself all of my lyrics. Anytime I'm shining, the devil wanna make an appearance to cause an appearance. Did about us, I hear it, but never die. I feel this, and I be counting and clearing the numbers. Long ago, nobody want us.
Whoa. Okay. Where's the volume on this? So that's this one. That's that one going. You can pause it. You can kind of control it like a remote control too. But I'm not sure. I thought it would be maybe. Hold on one sec. We are gonna figure this thing out. Sounds really clear so far. Where are the inputs? That'd be a good question. Hold on one sec. Figure out where the thingies are. Aha. Down at the bottom right there. There's a little leash. Maybe I could do some kind of magic. Let's see if this works. There we go. Not sure if this is going to work like this, but I'm curious.
Ox in mode.
Ox mode. I think that's for just like phones or your iPad shuffles and stuff like that. See what happens.
Ox in mode.
Yep, nope. Look, you can't do it that way.
Bluetooth mode.
Making me shit, it was killing me from the ability to never let the bullshit hurt my spirit. Telling myself to put it all in my lyrics. Anytime I'm shining, the devil wanna make it.
So that sounds really clear.
Shit about us, I hear it, but never doubted. I feel this, and I be counting and clearing them numbers. Malcolm don't nobody want us. When it was coming up, it ain't nobody really love me. I'll be honest. When I'm feeling nervous in my stomach, all up marijuana. When the devil is upon us, I'ma kill him. That's a promise. Waking up every day and I'm on it.
And play that one.
I made this one and murdering every opponent. All the grind and every night to finally get to this moment to spit it and own it. You're never gonna get rid of a soldier, but I ain't never let somebody try to tell me that I'm less than. Never trust somebody with a bunch of fucking yes men. Never will I let up with the freshness. If you're coming at me, I'm responding with aggression. I was born to be the man I am, and I will never give a damn about another hater of his life. Let them see it when you look at me. On everything you took from me, you'll never kill the fire in my eyes.
I like these. These sound really clear. So I'm gonna pause it now. Definitely YouTubers, check them out. Sorry about the little language. I don't know if you guys heard it, but sorry about that. But definitely really good quality speakers. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. YouTubers, have a great night. Be safe, and see you guys tomorrow. See ya.